Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to load the filament into the AD5X system on the Flashforge AD5X. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to repair your filament. I've got a few spools from the Flashforge and I'll be using them for this demo. Before loading, make sure to get the tip of the filament at 45-degree angle so it can fit smoothly into the system. Next, slightly push the filament into the AD5X system and it will automatically pull it and fit into the printer. Once you have finished the first spool, just repeat the same step for the remaining spools. The process is exactly the same for each one. After loading the filament, you will need to select the material type for each spool. Since these are all POA, I'll just select the POA for each one. If you are using another material, just choose it from the list like POA, ABS, PTGG, and so on. Alright, so the filament is loaded. Now let's print a multicolored pantry and see how well this machine performs. After 45 minutes, the first spring looked pretty good overall. The color transitions are clean, though there are a tiny bit of stringing in some areas. The surface quality is still good, and the AD5X system did a great job handling the multicolored print. I think this is the great result, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.